I know a forest. It's called Whistleberry Forest. And it's so far away. Can you all say Whistleberry Forest? Whistleberry Forest. And it's Whistleberry Forest. There's a huge big tree standing in the middle of the forest. It's so and there's no wind blowing through its branches. And there's no little animals scurrying around its feet. But there are three little creatures that I like to meet. A fox, and Oran the owl, and Sorley the snail. Can I see you wiggling like Sorley the snail? Sorley the snail, he doesn't like the rain. When it rains, he has to get in under a shell. Can I see you getting under your shell? Quail on the frog. He's got really funky moves. He's a funky frog. And Oran the owl. So would you like to go to Whistleberry Forest? Yeah? Okay, well, we have a little bit of a song. Okay, hands out. Okay, for our march. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3. So we'll do this one and then sing it after me. Yeah? Who's the best jumper? Oh, nice. We might need 4 of the